Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a super easy and cheesy baked potato cheese. And guess what? No oven needed at all. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of raw potatoes. Cut them into small pieces. Add them to a pan and pour in 2 cups of milk. Add half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon oregano, and half teaspoon salt. Let it boil and cook until the potatoes are soft and creamy. Potatoes are one of the most versatile vegetables in the world. This recipe gives pizza vibes but without any dough. Milk cooked potatoes turn extra creamy and absorb all the flavors. You don't need an oven to enjoy restaurant-style baked dishes. Now grease a 7-inch mold with a little oil. Add the boiled potatoes as the first layer. Slice potatoes evenly for uniform cooking. Use full-fat milk for a richer texture. You can add any veggies or protein of your choice. It's fully customizable. Now top with chopped capsicum. Carrots, sausages, and black olives. Potatoes are a good source of potassium and energy. Using milk instead of cream keeps the dish light. Homemade means no preservative or artificial flavor. Add veggies like carrots and capsicum for color and fiber. And now comes the best part. Spread mozzarella cheese generously on top. Place a large pan on the stove with a wire stand inside. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now place the mold inside. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Always preheat the pan before placing the mold for best result. Take it out and enjoy it hot, stretchy, and cheesy. Have you ever tried baking without an oven? Tag a cheese lover who needs the recipe right now. Which topping would you like to add to the dish? Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. That was our simple and yet satisfying baked potato cheese without using an oven. Thank you for being with us at Oven Cake and Cookies. More delicious oven-free ideas coming soon. Stay connected and keep cooking with love.